Welcome back to the Jilo class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And this is B, remainder concept, and this is type 2, give you value first. So as you can see that I named this as give you value first, because these questions will actually give you the value first. You can see 35 sweets, then they give you the fraction or these other things. So it's like different from type 1 because they give you at the last, but this one it gives you at first. So let's try to see how we solve this. Hector had a bag of sweets after giving 35 sweets to his classmate and 2/5 of the remainder to his neighbor. He was left with 1/4 of the bag of sweets he had at first. How many sweets did Hector give away? So what we need to do first thing is we draw 35 sweets. So we actually can do a model here and just indicate 35. Okay, sweets. And here says 2/5 of the remainder. Because I know 2/5 remainder, that's why I draw 5 unit here. And I know 2 unit here is actually representing the one that he gave to the neighbors. And he says what? He was left with 1/4 of the bag of sweets he had at first. Again, the same thing. I know that this is leftover. And here mentioned 1/4 is the one left, right? 1 should indicate the left, 4 should indicate the total. But now what I have here is 3 unit left. But what I have here is 1 unit left. 1/4, right? 1 unit left. So the same thing, what we need to do is we need to make it same. So 1/4, I should times 3 here, I should times 3 here. So it should be 3/12, whereas this 3 means left, this 12 means total. Now, once we know this, look at here. I have 1 unit here, I have 1 unit here, 1 unit here, 1 unit here, 1 unit here. So I have 5 units here. But what's interesting is that we don't know this 35, because I know I have 35 sweets, right? I don't know this 35 sweets is equal to how many units. Look at here, I know this is a total, right? I know total is 12. So since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I know here is actually 7 units. Okay, although it doesn't like proportion nicely, but it's okay. So I know that the 7 unit is actually representing the 35. Again, let me just quickly just draw out this just in case you're confused. 3 unit left, that's why 3 unit here. And since total is 12, so it means that I need to have everything 12 total. Okay, that's why 12 minus 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's why I left with 7. So if 7 unit is equal to 35, I know 1 unit is equal to 5. And now, here's a question asking, how many sweets did Hector give away? So I know give away 35 to the classmate and 2 unit give to the neighbor. So let's try to write down 2 unit is equal to 5 times 2, that's equal to 10. And I need to add back the one that he gave to his classmate. So 35 plus 10, and that's equal to 40. And we are done if we use bar modeling method. Now, the same thing, let me try to erase everything here. And I will show you how we do with the branching method, but now we are using fraction. Let me just quickly write down these labels. Now, if you use branching method, this is what we do. Hector had a bag of sweets of it at first. This is Hector. And after giving 35, I know I give 35 to the classmate. And I give the remainder. This is the remainder. And among the remainder, I know I give 2/5 to the neighbor. Okay, then I know I have left over how many? If I give 2/5, I know I have left over 3/5. This is what left over. Okay, and from here actually you need you can actually notice one thing. This is what we call as remainder, right? And remainder actually we have 5 units. You might be questioning, huh? What do you mean by 5 units? Means that out of 5 units, I give the 2 unit to neighbor. I give 3 unit to, leftover 3 unit. Okay. And as you know, here actually mentioned that he was left with 1/4 of the bags of sweets. So 1/4 is leftover. And what happened is we know that leftover should be 3 unit. But here say leftover is 1/4. So I know that this 1 and this 3 should supposed to be the same. Correct? Because this is left and this is left. So what I will do is I will make it the same. I will times 3 here, I will times 3 here. So it will be 3/12. Then you might be questioning, huh? One is 3/5, one is 3/12. Like this 5 and this 12, why is it different? Again, I know that this 5 represent what? The remainder. This 12 represent the total. So why that 1, 1, 5, 1, 12? We know that the missing part is actually given to the classmate. You guys can see that. Here's that. Okay, that's why I know that 12 total minus 5 is equal to 7. And that 7 unit missing is because I have already given to the classmate. That's why 7 unit is equal to 35. And as usual, like what we are doing at bar modeling, 1 unit is equal to 5. And now I'm looking for how many did I give away. So I know I have 35 already. So I need to find this 2 unit is representing what? 2 unit is equal to 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And I know I give away 10 to the neighbor. Then I just need to 35 plus 10, which is equal to 45. Okay, sorry, here is supposed to be 45. Okay, and we are done for this question. Okay, so the answer is 45. So again, the same thing, you will notice that R modeling and branching method fraction are actually similar concept, just the way you do it, or just the way that you choose to do it. Okay. So thank you so much for paying attention. So see you. Thank you. Bye bye.